Video is for NEET PG aspirants who want to crack this exam and ace like a pro. So like this video and subscribe to my channel. NEET is a 3-hour exam. Seems easy, right? But think again. 3-hour exam held once in a year testing all the 19 subjects makes it the most difficult exam. In NEET 2020, more than 1.5 lakh registered for 10,000 seats. Clinical seats were less than 3,000. So, getting your dream branch in your dream college is the most difficult task to crack. So, the simple mantra is not studying hard but studying correct. That is, making your concepts strong and not just ratifying things, and revising, revisiting your notes and your concepts again and again, again and again. Third and most important is practice. Practice the MCQs, practice the grand tests so that you are prepared for the D-Day. But one caution, guys, you have to remember a few things. That is, first, follow your own notes. There is plethora of information which is available right now, so you have to restrict yourself so that you can revise well. Secondly, do MCQs regularly. MCQs will help you and guide you how to deal the question in the exam. Don't say I didn't warn you. Also, thirdly and most important thing is practicing the grand test. Now follow 3 T's. These 3 T's will lead you to success. That is, making proper timetable, doing proper time management, and tracking your preparation. Tracking your preparation by giving CBTs, by giving various grand tests, which will provide you your rank and you can know your position and hence you can improve yourself. So, one question everybody asks me is how many hours a day do we need to study? So, guys, there is no limit. It depends on person to person, but more important is how you manage your time. Some time management techniques I would like to share are first, Pomodoro technique. You can do 20-minute study and 40-minute study. For example, you can study for 20 minutes and then take 5-minute break, or you can study for 40 minutes and then take 5-minute break. Divide your entire in 3 sessions, that is morning, afternoon and evening session. In morning you can do the new period, new stuff. In afternoon you can do the MCQs and in evening you can study all the revision things that you have to do. Third, prepare a checklist one night before. This one single step can make you way ahead of all your competitors because you know all the things that you have to give priority to and hence can do them first. One important tip I would like to give everybody is practice. Practice the grand test. Never fear a grand test. It will prepare you for the D-Day and hence decrease your anxiety. Other important things that we need to follow are, first of all, 7-hour sleep is very important. Secondly, lots of water. Thirdly, eating a healthy diet, fruit, vegetables, and reducing the junk. Fourth, do regular exercise or at least some night walks or morning walks can be done. Fifth and most important is avoiding the negative people and negative places. Negative places like social media. Yes, limit yourself from WhatsApp, Facebook, and also Telegram. Challenge yourself daily. Stay motivated. Believe yourself. You can do it. Never feel bad after a bad result. Always analyze it. Analyzing it can help you succeed. So, guys, I hope all this helped and best of luck for your exam so that you can crack it with all the 7 colors in sky. Thank you, and I will be posting more videos to help you guys. So, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again, guys.